I am at war with this vise right here, the record number 6. And we're gonna be playing a game with this socket. The internet says there's no way anybody needs a vise built to this high standard like this Fireball 510. A $100, or in this case $500 record vise is all you need. Well, let's play a game. This is a hardened steel cylindrical object and it is very difficult to hold on to. So we're gonna see which vise can hold on to it the best. Record gave us 6-inch jaws. I want to hold it right here on the very edge as far out as I possibly can. I should be able to use this entire surface wherever I want to. Maybe we need to fly past the jaw for some reason and hold a long cylindrical object. But we're gonna use a much shorter piece just for fun. This is hardened steel. These are hardened steel. So gripping onto this hardened surface is gonna be tricky. We're gonna clamp it right in here. I'm gonna crank the handle as hard as I can. I might even hit it with a hammer. And then we're gonna apply this torque and we're gonna see how high this load cell goes off before this starts to slip. Okay, I'm gonna push till it falls out. All right, so let's rewind the footage. And as we can see, as the socket gets ejected out of the jaws, we could see 113 foot-pounds of force to twist that right out of the jaws. All right, let's do the same thing on the 510. But guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna grease the socket. Every mechanic knows their sockets look like this when they're using it in the vise. I'm gonna completely handicap the Fireball 510. Now let's hang on to it. Another thing I'm gonna do, I am actually gonna hold this socket just slightly off of center, the wrong direction. And as you can see, we are barely hanging on to that sucker. So I'm gonna pull on the handle as hard as I can. Just get it nice and tight, just like I normally would. Tight, no hammer, no nothing. Let's pull, twisting hard. Okay, we're overloaded. Come on! Way overloaded. That is what I call build quality, folks. I know you're gonna say, Jason, that's not very impressive, but here's what I encourage you guys to do. Grab an 1¼ inch socket, grease it up, put it right on the very edge of your vise jaws, and give it a yank. Try it out. Pull as hard as you can. See if you can get up to these high numbers. We overloaded this torque cell, which I think goes into like 300 foot-pounds. You saw I was skidding on the floor. Give it a try. See if you can do the same test. But until then, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next demonstration.